Hello everyone, my name is Mini Sethi. I hope you all are staying healthy. Today we are going to talk about meaning of logistics management, objectives of logistics management, components of logistics management and two major types of logistic management, inbound logistics and outbound logistics. So let's start it. What is logistics management? Logistics management manage flow of goods from the point of origin to point of consumption. Logistics management manage flow of goods from the point of origin to point of consumption. Or we can say that logistics management plan, implement and control flow of goods from the point of origin to point of consumption to meet the requirement of consumer and businesses. As we know, supplier give raw material to manufacturer. Manufacturer give goods to distributors. Distributor give goods to retailer and retailer give goods to consumer. Here point of origin is supplier and point of consumption is our consumer. And logistics management manage flow of goods from the point of origin to point of consumption. It's include storage of goods, transportation, acquisition, maintenance of material, goods and other components parts. For example, natural gas industry logistics involve managing pipeline, trucks, storage facility and distribution centers. Now we will see objectives of logistics management. First objective is inventory optimization. Logistics management ensure that the right product is in stock without overstocking. That's why it reduces inventory holding cost. Next objective is cost efficiency. Logistic management minimizes operational cost by reducing unnecessary movement and storage. And it also tries to reduce warehouses and labor expenses. Next objective is timely delivery. Logistic management ensure that timely delivery of product. Next objective is quick response. Main objective of logistic management is customer satisfaction. That's why it's try to solve customer queries as soon as possible. Next is efficient flow of information. Logistic management try to maintain clear communication between manufacturer, supplier, retailers and customer. Now we will see components of logistic management. Components of logistic management basically tell us what we include in logistic management. Means what basically logistic management do. First component is demand planning. Logistic management predict future demand for product so that accordingly it can manage flow of goods and prevent improper supply of goods. Next component is storage and material handling. Logistic management ensure that goods are easy to move, store and transport. And through material handling, it's also ensure that there is proper, timely and safe movement of goods without any damage. Next component is inventory management. In logistic management, companies evaluate and identifies how much stock they need to order and where it should be stored. And it also ensures that they have stock exactly according to requirement, not too much or not too little. Next component is fleet management. Time to time logistic management check, improve and monitor commercial vehicles. For example, taxi, trucks, buses and aircraft. Nowadays, companies also investing fleet management software so that they can improve efficiency of fleets and drivers. Next component is transportation management. Logistic management plan, schedule and execute movement of goods from one location to other location. Nowadays, companies are using transportation management system software. It's help in tracking, save time and reduce freight expenses. Last component is information and control. Logistic management use modern technology to store information, data and documents. For example, logistic management use artificial intelligence technology to manage information properly. Now we are going to talk about two major types of logistics: inbound logistics and outbound logistics. So what is inbound logistics? Inbound logistics focuses on movement of raw material within manufacturing plant. Inbound logistics focuses on movement of raw material within manufacturing plants. Or we can say that inbound logistics focuses on inflow of material, machines and other components part from supplier to production unit. For example, when supplier deliver material, machines and components parts in manufacturing plant, it will called inbound logistics. Now we will see outbound logistics. Outbound logistics focuses on movement of finished goods from company to end user, or we can say that customer. Outbound logistics focuses on movement of finished goods from company to end user, or we can say that customer. It's mainly involve interaction between retailer, customer or any third party. For example, when retailer is selling mobile, clothes and TV to customer, it will be called outbound logistics. So this is all about meaning of logistic management, objectives of logistic management and components of logistic management and two major types of logistic management. I think you got it, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye, take care.